Hey, stop scrolling. Listen to me very carefully, okay? You are someone that things are not working well for you. You are feeling that blockage. You are being in that restriction that nothing is working out way for you. This video is for you, please, okay? And share. Let other people that are in the same category of being blocked, being cursed, will do this bait. Oh yeah, get me this leaf. It's called Jivijivima. It's called Away Abade. It's called Que de Sha. This leaf, it have a round like cow cat tail. This leaf, get it. Get this one again. It's called Nchong Chayoma. This is used to cook pepper soup. Get it. Get this to leaf. You pan it very well. Put in your bucket of water. You filter it. Get any perfume of your choice. You pour in it. You that things are being blocked. Things are being blocked. Things are not going well. Things are there like a hula baloo. Things are there like a hula lagala. And go and bathe this early morning. You will think whether it's magic. You think whether it's magic. I kid you not. Things are blocked. Things are not going well. This to unblock yourself. Get this direction I just did right now. You say that, is this something that you did that's working? Yes, do it. Build it, okay? Come on, thank me. I'm being called on Hounkpedji Kinifo. Please let me use this chance to promote one of my products. This drink is organ cleanser. You pass. Anytime you're smoking, you don't smoke, your engine don't knock. Get this. You if you enter that place, your manpower does not stand. Get this. You that you are in the area that they are always sending small magic, jelly, okay? This drink, you put alcohol in it, okay? It stands as manpower. It also stands as protection. That's this for protection there as well for you, okay? It's also organ cleanser. It cleans the organs, okay? This drink one is for 18,000 sefa. In Nigeria, I give for you for 45,000 naira. Tested and approved. Is it naira? Okay, I get for you. Okay, contact me. You get this drink, organ cleanser. Bless you. And because Hounkpedji Kinifo, I'm a priest for Trump, Puerto Rico, in here in Benin Republic. You can get me on +229 40 55 66 43. Alafia. Be blessed.